Hi, welcome back to Life with Carrie. Today I have some good news. We won a giveaway! So we're going to go ahead, we're going to open this up. And I also have a brand new doll from Milidool to show you today.
My doll.
So we're going to start with our giveaway that we won. So we'll go ahead, we'll open it up. So this is from Reborn Love Babies. So I just want to tell you guys all, subscribe to Reborn Love Babies. It's an awesome channel. She has a lot of amazing dolls on there and they do a lot of awesome role play. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to Reborn Love Babies. Thank you so much for sending this to us. A lot of goodies in there, but I want to read the card first. So it says, "To Carrie, thank you for entering the giveaway for the jumpsuit and the headband. I have also included some sweet gifts. I hope you get a kick out of the card. I thought it was funny. Love, Reborn Love Baby." So that was a very nice note on there. So we'll go ahead, we'll open up the card.
And it came from Australia?
Yeah, this is all the way from Australia. And look at this card, it's hilarious. It says, "When you're on your 4th day of dry shampoo and just hoping for the best."
Yeah, it looks just like you.
It does. It actually resembles me. Don't we look like twins?
Yes.
It says, "Dearest Carrie, congratulations on winning the baby jumpsuit and headband. I hope you enjoy the extra treats I put inside the box for you and your family. I also included some little gifts for your daughter. Take care. Love, Samantha from Reborn Love Babies." Aw, so she
Thank you, Samantha. Say thank you.
Say thank you, Samantha.
Thank you, Samantha.
From Reborn Love Babies.
From Reborn Love.
Say, I got some new teeth coming in,
I got some new teeth coming in.
and so I can eat all
Okay,
this.
so what did she say? Oh, look at this.
That's from Australia, koala.
Oh, it's so cute. And what else did we get? We got some gold nugget bubble gum. Oh, cool. So we got some gold nugget
I
bubble
don't know
gum.
what it is.
And then we got some pets. We got Tom and Jerry. Look at those.
Oh, how cute.
Those are cute. And she sent some trolley big bold bears. I've never had these ones before. I don't think they sell them here. I've never
We
seen those.
have a unicorn.
Oh.
Yeah, a unicorn lip smacker. That's lip gloss for you. We got some Jelly Belly jelly beans. Oh, and we got Bean Boozled. So we'll have fun with that. My daughter's never played that game before, but we actually tried it with my son when he was younger. And oh my god, some of those taste so bad. And then here is the gift. Aw, and she had this little romper with a headband. It's so cute. So you can put that on any of the dolls. I think it's just adorable with the stripe print. Isn't that so sweet?
I come from the land down under.
So I can't wait to put that on one of the dolls. That'll be so exciting. So we'll go ahead and we'll stick this aside with all the treats inside. Thank you so much, Reborn Love Babies. And again, make sure you subscribe to Reborn Love Babies because awesome channel. Alright, so thank you so much, Samantha, and we'll get on to the
My doll.
unboxing, the Milidool. I say Milidool, but he says Miley doll.
It's Milidool.
Milidool? Okay. Aww, so this is a
Grammatically.
little baby boy. Aww. And these dolls from this brand are amazing quality, and they're such a good price. But he comes with this bag that has a giraffe in it, a pacifier, a sippy cup, and looks like a blanket. So we'll go ahead and we'll open that up. And the stuffed animals are amazing quality on these dolls too. They're so soft.
Hi, Samantha.
And he has a little pacifier
It's really soft.
and a nice little blanket. But these dolls, they're like amazing for the price. He has a birth certificate, a little care card. And we'll untie him. And I know I said this before in the other video, but they're wrapped a lot like Paradise Gallery dolls. The way that they're packaged. So we'll go ahead and we'll take off this little net.
Isn't that a boy or girl?
It's a boy. Aw, he's very cute. Look at his face. He has very realistic looking features, like his eyes And he has really nice blushing on his face where it's not too much. And he's super nicely painted on his hands and his toes. You can see that. And his body is cloth and he's weighted. He's actually a really good weight. Oh, and look at the back. He has a cute little giraffe on his bum. I think that's so cute. But yeah, it's like a sleeper. So it just unsnaps. And if you want to change the outfit, you can. Actually, you know what? This doll, you could probably turn it into a girl if you wanted to. It could probably be a boy or a girl. You could even do like a little ponytail and make it look all
That's
cute.
Gene Simmons. When you did that.
But this little hat is so sweet too. I'll give him his little hat back. Aw. He's just very cute. Very nice quality. Again, I really recommend this brand. I will include the product link in the video description below. So if you want to get your own, just go ahead and click. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And speaking of giveaways, we're getting closer and closer to the 1,000. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you next time. Bye. Thank you for the gifts.
Bye.